Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking about latest Tesla news as we are having incredible growth opportunity in this stock with the company just opening up its Texas Austin Gigafactory on April 1st. In addition to this, also all the Teslas are being sold out. If that is correct, if you try to buy a Tesla right now on their website, a brand new Tesla, you have to wait until 2023 because everything is sold out for 2022. Mind-blowing, but this stock has incredible opportunity. We are going to be talking about this and more. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Don't forget to share this page with others so we can continue to grow this channel. And also, I do have great promotions. Using my link down below, I can get you a free NEO stock just by putting in $1 into a brand new account. You will get an additional free Lucid Motor stock if you put in at least $100 or more. An incredible opportunity. Stay to the end of this video and I can show you how you can get even more free stocks. Incredible amount of money free. But right now, without further ado, let's transition and talk about the latest Tesla news. Tesla right now is on fire as a company, and we have just seen incredible news coming out. So just most recently, Tesla has had the Berlin Gigafactory open up. They are going to be starting slow ramp up of their mass productions of the Model Y and of the Model 3. Also now April 1st will be an incredible big date for Tesla as it is now opening its Austin Gigafactory in Texas. They are also going to have a slow mass production startup of its vehicles. They are going to also start making the Tesla Model Y and the 3. Right now, these are the two top selling vehicles in the world. If you look at the electric vehicles, they are the top two selling, especially that Model Y. Right now, if you even try to order one, there is a huge amount of demand. And especially as you could see, gas prices increasing, going above $4, continuously increasing. Especially we have seen the huge effect of gas prices with the Russian-Ukraine war, the conflict. A lot of people are trying to transition away from gasoline, more reliable vehicles with electric vehicles. And which is the best electric vehicle? It is coming right now from Tesla, the pioneer and the best electric vehicle auto manufacturer in the world. So right now, all the Teslas are sold out. I was actually in the market. I have been looking to purchase a Tesla Model Y. I have been researching it for the past few months, actually, and I am slow to purchase vehicles because I always do my own due diligence, always do my own research, compare it to everything that's out there. It is still one of the best ones. I still can't find something that competes with the Tesla Model Y, with the range, with the efficiency, with the speed. It's just a great vehicle. But right now, if you do try to buy this vehicle for this year, you're not able to do that, especially the Tesla Model Y long range edition. You have to wait until the year 2023. But with those new companies, with the new Gigafactories just coming out in Austin, Texas, and Giga Berlin, they are going to be starting to ramp up their productions. I do think that this will be a slow ramp up at the beginning just to make sure they have that quality there. But Tesla is known to deliver some vehicles that don't have the best quality fit and finish. So we'll definitely have to see. But right now, this is an incredible opportunity, in my opinion, to still get into this stock because they are entering a new growth phase. So both the Gigafactories, both in Berlin and Austin, have the ability each to produce up to 500,000 vehicles. So we do know that last year alone, Tesla came very close to producing 1 million vehicles just in 1 year alone. Once these two Gigafactories get up and running, they'll be maybe able to produce up to 2 million vehicles per year. So right now, this is going to be an exponential time for Tesla to get into the market. And it is still the leader of the EV market. They are light years ahead of all other EV manufacturers. And as you know, I love Lucid Motors. And when you do look at the technology, Lucid Motors actually briefly does outcompete Tesla. But the sheer volume, the mass production is the hurdle, the Achilles heel of Lucid Motors right now. So the number one and it will continue to be number one. It will be Tesla. And this is still a great stock to get into. And I did just want to transition and show you this stock right now. Looking at Tesla stock, ticker symbol TSLA, just in the past 1 month, we are up 16.11 cents. We are above, for the very first time, above $1,000, but we have actually gone under $800. It's a steal of a deal under $800. I have been telling my viewers that for quite some time now. Now, I do, and I own this stock. Actually, this is one of my biggest holdings of EV, the EV stocks that I have. This, Lucid Motors, and NIO are my top 3 holdings of EV auto manufacturers. Now, that being said, just in the past 5 days, we have seen huge upward movement in this stock, and I do think that we will have continued upward movement from now on. But just looking back in this past 6 months, we are still up 27%. But look, we will be retesting the $1,200 mark very soon. I do think that by the middle of this year, by May, June, we will start seeing us retesting $1,200 again, in my opinion, because the demand is so huge. And you are also going to be starting to see the supply is going to start slowly increasing with these 2 new Gigafactories. So incredible big opportunity to still get into this stock. I do think that Tesla stock has a wonderful future ahead of itself. But you can see very nice increase, still up 63% in the next 1 year. And I do think that it will continue to go up still from this point in time right now. I think that just in the next few months, we will be retesting $1,200. I think by the end of this year, if the productions go very well, I do think that by the end of this year, we could potentially get up to $1,500 in its stock price. So very big things to look into, but this is exciting, great news for Tesla, getting these 2 new Gigafactories in there, and their demand is still shocking me. The vehicles are sold out. They're not even going to be making the Tesla Model S and the Tesla Model X. These are its premium luxury vehicles that will be competing, that Tesla Model S, with the Lucid Motors. So this is actually a little bit good news for Lucid Motors, because right now in their little niche, in their luxury EV space, there's not any competition. There is, I guess, some competition with the Mercedes-Benz EQS, but if you look at the horsepower, if you look at the performance, if you look at the luxury, so far Lucid Motors checks all the boxes to outperform them, but their critical heel, their Achilles heel, is the mass production, and it is because of supply chain issues. We do know that Tesla is also suffering from supply chain issues, as Elon Musk has said in its last earnings report, that they are going to be having crippling supply chain issues, chip shortages for this year, and potentially the beginning of next year, 2023 as well. They have delayed their Cybertruck. They have delayed a lot of their vehicles, their trucks, the semi-truck as well. So we'll definitely have to see how this company does. And lastly, I did just want to show you what Wall Street analysts have to say about Tesla, ticker symbol TSLY. There's 27 analysts that are reviewing this stock. 16 are giving it a strong buy, 5 a hold, 6 a sell. If you do average all these together, they do give us an average price target in the next 12 months of $1,063. That gives us a 5% upside from right now. But let me just show you something. The highest price target is actually $1,580. The lowest price target, and the reason why this is bringing this average down, is somebody actually gave this $313. I don't know what this person, what this analyst was smoking, but I do not think that this Tesla stock will ever get this low. This is bringing actually that average price down. In my own opinion, I do believe that this stock at the end of this year will be roughly $1,500. I do think that we can get this. I do think that by the middle of this year, I do think that by possibly June, July, we could get that $1,200, if not even sooner, because now we do have that great news that we do have the 2 new Gigafactories. There will be slow mass production. I definitely think that this will be a slow rollout, but once they get these vehicles going, expect very good things, very good news, and its revenue is going to skyrocket for this year. I think this is going to be a great year for Tesla moving forward And I think this is an absolutely great and long-term investment into your money. But I hope that you liked this video. I hope that you did learn something new. Give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. It'll help with that YouTube algorithm. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Share this page with others so we can continue to grow the channel. And also, don't forget to get your free stocks using my link down below to Moomoo. Put in $1, we'll get you that free NEO stock. Put in at least an additional $100 to get a free Lucid Motor stock. Moomoo will also give you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Webull, if you put in 1 penny or more, will give you 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,000. Incredible opportunity to get $17,500 from Moomoo, $15,000 from Webull. Take advantage of getting this huge amount of money, huge amount of free stocks from these two best promotions using my links down below. And thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a great weekend, and I cannot wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.